Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We've all heard of people making millions with cryptocurrencies, and you are probably thinking, how you can jump in the train. But on the other hand, you have also seen people that invested in the wrong coins and were ruined by cryptocurrency. Now I am here to help you answer your question on which cryptocurrency to invest in to make you millions. Before we get into it, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you can get fresh content as soon as we upload. Also, make sure to check out the link in the description for my best recommendations when it comes to making money with cryptocurrency. Now let's get into it. Let us step back and look briefly at what we mean by terms like cryptocurrency and altcoin before taking a closer look into certain of these alternatives to Bitcoin. A broadly defined cryptocurrency is virtual or digital money in the form of tokens and coins. When some cryptocurrencies, with credit cards or other projects into the physical world went by, the great majority are still completely intangible. The crypt refers to complicated cryptography. It makes digital currencies along with their transactions via decentralized systems possible to create and process. Besides these currencies, a common commitment to decentralization is alongside this important crypto feature. Cryptocurrencies are generally developed as a code by teams that build up issuing mechanisms and others. While this foundational feature in the industry has been heavily criticized, as cryptocurrencies have risen in popularity, they are almost always built in a position where they are totally free from control and manipulation by the government. Altcoins, and in some cases Bitcoins, are currencies modeled after Bitcoin that have often attempted to portray themselves as enhanced or updated variants of Bitcoin, although some of these currencies may have some unique features that Bitcoin does not. No altcoin has yet to match the level of protection that Bitcoin's networks provide. Other than Bitcoin, we'll look at some of the most common digital currencies below. But first, a disclaimer: a list like this can never be completely exhaustive. One explanation for this is that, as of January 2021, there are over 4,000 cryptocurrencies in circulation. Although many of these cryptocurrencies have little or no support or trading volume, others have devoted groups of backers and investors. Aside from that, the world of cryptocurrencies is constantly evolving, and the next big digital coin may be published tomorrow. Although Bitcoin is generally recognized as the first cryptocurrency, analysts use a number of methods to test tokens other than BTC. Analysts, for example, often place a high value on the ranking of coins in terms of market capitalization compared to one another. This has been taken into account, but there are other explanations why a digital token could be added to the list. So now that we are all caught up on what cryptocurrencies are, let us discuss the cryptocurrencies that can make you millions. This might come as no surprise to most of you, as you probably already heard of it before. Price prediction. Provide a detailed Bitcoin price prediction and forecast that gives a better understanding of the current BTC market situation. Future price forecasts and Bitcoin market capitalization. It will assist in gaining a better understanding of what is currently happening in the crypto market, adjusting trading strategies accordingly, and making informed investment and trading decisions in the future. Bitcoin is a mineable coin with a current value of $54,233.46 and a market capitalization of $1.012 to 74,916,677, putting it on top of the global cryptocurrency ranking. Bitcoin currently has an available supply of 18,665,137 coins. To accurately measure potential market capitalization, and thus the future price of the cryptocurrency under consideration, a thorough understanding of expected supply changes is needed. The trading volume data allows for an estimation of the overall intensity of the trend, which in turn allows for a more accurate BTC price forecast, and forecasts supply and demand shifts that will have a direct effect on price changes in the near and distant future. Bitcoin trading volume for the previous 24 hours was $56,354,623,280, up from the previous day, according to CoinMarketCap.com. The current trends in the average trading volume show a growing demand for BTC coins against a declining supply of the corresponding cryptocurrency. We implement the Crypto Volatility Index to better explain recent BTC market fluctuations. The CVIX clearly illustrates current price dynamics and provides some hints at potential future price action scenarios. The majority of traders enter the cryptocurrency market in search of digital assets that offer high and exceptionally high returns, which are achieved, among other things, through the inherent volatility of the market. even though recent crises have limited the potential of most cryptocurrencies to achieve massive profits. They continue to be a draw for those who see this sector as a viable alternative to stocks, Forex, and other conventional markets. As a result, uncertainty is a crucial feature of cryptocurrency trading. When evaluating the price of Bitcoin and providing short, medium, and long-term price predictions using our patented algorithm that effectively integrates artificial intelligence and specifically deep learning mechanisms. Crypto rating often considers a variety of factors, since it accurately reflects the mood of the participants. Using the CVIX gives a profound insight into the underlying emotions in the Bitcoin market. Before we get into a more thorough Bitcoin price forecast, let's take a look at CVIX's past, how it's calculated, and a few key trading tips for when CVIX is poor. In reality, the Chicago Board Options Exchange, a representative of conventional markets, was the birthplace of the volatility index. The VIX's main aim is to effectively calculate market participants' expectations for the price change of the S&P 500 index over the next 30 days. A brief warning that the S&P 500 is probably the most significant stock market index in the world, reflecting the success of America's top 500 companies including Google, Facebook, and Apple. We reinvented the VIX by taking into account the demands and specificity of the crypto market. We started with the initial VIX, and then incorporated the results derived from the crypto market, which has been evolving rapidly over the last few years. Within a 10% range, the CVIX essentially represents 30-day backward-looking volatility. The average monthly price of Bitcoin is calculated, and the number of deviations in the specified range is examined. The amount of market fluctuations at any given time is crucial when it comes to evaluating CVIX's value, since among market participants, it shows the degree of negative tension, which we refer to as fear, and in relation to the volatility, the major driving force. Ethereum, a detailed Ethereum price prediction and forecast that gives a better understanding of the current ETH market situation. Potential price forecasts and Ethereum market capitalization. It will assist in getting a better understanding of what is actually happening in the crypto market, changing trading strategies accordingly, and making informed investment and trading decisions in the future. Ethereum is a mineable coin with a current price of $1,670.54 and a market capitalization of $192 billion for $167,639,421, ranking it second in the global cryptocurrency rating. The total supply of Ethereum is currently 115 to 112,806 coins. To accurately measure potential market capitalization, and thus the future price of the cryptocurrency under consideration, a thorough understanding of expected supply changes is needed. The trading volume data allows for an assessment of the overall intensity of the trend, which in turn allows for a more accurate ETH price forecast and forecast supply and demand shifts that will have a significant impact on price changes in the near and distant future. According to CoinMarketCap.com, Ethereum trading volume for the previous 24 hours was $22 billion to $107,777,732, up from the day before. The current trends in the average trading volume show a growing demand for ETH coins against a declining supply of the corresponding cryptocurrency. We present the Crypto Volatility Index to better explain recent ETH market fluctuations. The CVIX clearly illustrates current price dynamics and provides some hints at potential future price action scenarios. The majority of traders enter the cryptocurrency market in search of digital assets that offer high and exceptionally high returns, which are achieved, among other things, through the inherent volatility of the market. When evaluating the price of Ethereum and providing short, medium, and long-term price forecasts, I often consider a number of factors. Tether's price prediction and forecast gives a clearer understanding of the current USDT market situation, potential prospects for price action, and Tether market capitalization. Tether is a non-mineable token with a current price of $1 and a market capitalization of $40 billion to $179,039,364, ranking third in the global cryptocurrency classification. Tether currently has a supply of 40 billion to 125,509,130 for tokens available. To accurately measure potential market capitalization, and thus the future price of the cryptocurrency under consideration, a thorough understanding of expected supply changes is needed. The trading volume data allows for an estimation of the overall intensity of the trend, which in turn allows for a more accurate USDT price forecast, and forecast supply and demand shifts that will have a direct effect on price changes in the near and distant future. Tether trading volume for the previous 24 hours was $82,323,000,000 for $191,600 up from the previous day, according to CoinMarketCap.com. These are the top 3 cryptocurrencies that have the highest market cap and have shaped to make people millionaires this 2021. But only if you invest wisely. And with lofty capital, I want to know which cryptocurrency you feel can also make you millions in the comments section. If you're looking to learn more about finance and investing topics like this, stay tuned for our next videos. Also, make sure to check out the link in the description for my best recommendations when it comes to making money with cryptocurrency. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on anything. See you next time.